A website is a collection of interconnected web pages, similar to Facebook, YouTube, or a school's website. These pages are built using HTML or hypertext markup language, the standard language for structuring web content. HTML uses tags to define elements that make up a web page. HTML defines elements like headings, paragraphs, images, and links, which are displayed in a web browser. Think of HTML as the foundation upon which all websites are built, providing the basic structure and content that users see. When you visit a website, your browser reads the HTML code and renders it as the visual elements you see. To summarize, websites are collections of pages built with HTML, which provides the structure that browsers transform into the visual content you interact with. HTML uses tags to define elements within a web page. For example, the H1 tag creates a large heading. Each tag has an opening and closing part. HTML includes various tags for different elements. The P tag creates paragraphs, while tags like H1 through H6 create headings of different sizes. A basic HTML document follows a specific structure. It starts with a doctype declaration, followed by the HTML root element. The doctype declaration tells browsers what version of HTML the page is using. The HTML element is the root element that contains all other elements. An HTML document is divided into two main sections, the head and the body. The head section contains metadata about the page, such as the title and links to CSS files. The body section contains all the visible content like headings, paragraphs, images, and links. The body section contains various HTML elements that create the visible content of your web page. Headings are created using H1 through H6 tags, with H1 being the largest. Paragraphs are created using the P tag. Images are added using the img tag. Links, also called anchors, are created using the A tag. List items are part of ordered or unordered lists. HTML attributes provide additional information about elements and are always specified in the start tag. Common attributes include sars for specifying image sources, href for links, alt for alternative text, and others like class ID and style. Let's look at a complete HTML document example, showing how all these elements come together. This code shows a complete HTML document with the doctype declaration, HTML root element, head section with a title, and body section with various content elements. Let's review the key concepts we've covered about HTML tags and structure. HTML is built with tags that structure content, attributes that provide additional information, and follows a consistent document structure.